Hey guys, Terry here. So today's A to Z craft room organization tip is going to be about brads and buttons. So let me show you how I store these. I am wanting to show you how I store brads and buttons. If you've ever decorated on cards or on layouts, it's fun to put a little embellishment on there. And we all have all of these little goodies that we get from scrapbooking kits that have all the fun little shiny things to put on our pages. So what do you store these in? I know there's containers that will store kind of these containers, but I have found over the years that I would rather store it in one of these little fishing boxes. You can get them in the scrapbook stores. You can also get them in the fishing tackle box areas in the stores. So this is what I keep an assortment of brads in, and I have them by different colors here. I didn't worry about mixing all the reds or all the greens together. I figure I can sort through here on the lid and find ones that are matching that I want to use. But I have those in there, and then likewise I have buttons, and I have the buttons kind of sorted by color. So I have them in these tackle boxes. There's green and yellow. I think in this drawer I have the reds. So find tackle boxes that open and close, especially if they make sure they close well. I also keep like wood veneers. I have those in a little tackle box also, so those hold, and you can dig through and find the little trinkets that you want to use to decorate on your layouts with. These drawers are made to go into the calyx unit by IKEA, and I like them because they're not too tall. You can fit something that's 4 or 5 inches tall in them, but these containers fit really well. So I'll get the measurements of this and have a link on my website to these products, but they fit down inside this drawer pretty well. And then I just have a variety of colors because I've got my yellows and greens over here, and then I kind of have products that are in that color family in the drawers here. And then in the drawer below I have ribbons and stuff that I've got down below. So I kind of have a rainbow of colors here in the drawers. Something you want to keep in mind with these drawers is if you have your calyx unit standing up, make sure you can see down inside the drawers. You don't want to put them up too high where you can't see down, and I've got them on my bottom row here. I can reach in them just fine. You might want to have them up higher so that you don't have to sit down on the floor to dig through them, but this is how I currently have the room. So yeah, I'm trying to think of what else. It's just really handy to have. The other thing I would say is, I have them separated by color for here at the house, but if I do go on a crop, I have a little jar. I don't know where he is right now, but I do have like a little variety jar that I would take with me on a crop. I don't know where it's at, but you could just have a jar with a variety of different buttons and brads to take with you, and then here at home have more more of them separated out by color. So I hope this helps. That's my ideas on separating out the brads and buttons for all your crafting needs. So thanks guys. Bye.